Alright guys, before we get into this video, I want you to go over to Zendre Yardstyle Cooking YouTube channel and subscribe to her, show her some love, tell her say Angel send you, and help get her to 1K. This is a cooking channel, but on a regular cooking channel, she have like almost every Jamaican meal. So just go over there, get some help from her if you know you can't prepare a good meal on your own. And her videos are very informative. So I'm gonna put her link in my description box, and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. So just click there and get some help, because you know me have to, represent for the channel them when me cooking videos, because people must learn to cook. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another video. If you realize, I'm not home. I'm in St. Mary. Yes, the Kim there. I will just take a little break. Oh, there's a river down there. I'm gonna make you see. Hold on. Guys, this is what I love. Sounds so good. I live for these stuff. The banana man right here. So with him banana. Looks so good. A St. Mary banana this now. Portland banana? They look nice though, I'm not like.
Bananas still sometimes up in the hills.
So you sell banana?
I can go town go sell a market.
Oh. So if I want one and now, I could get it?
One on. You have to buy a bunch.
So much I sell a bunch for now?
A bunch of $6.
$600? Oh my God, Kim. The bunch of $600.
Yes, idea.
One bunch. I saw them teeth nang da. Alright, I gotta support your thing. I buy. Country come buy banana.
Put it on your head now. Members, you have to do the market something, you know. Yeah.
Buy them 2 bunch of bananas. Just say I bring up. So them nice.
Alright.
Yeah.
Guys, if you come a country and no pee in a bush, it's not a Jamaican. Okay? So me buy a banana. Real man. Hey my baby.
Hey, what's up, my baby?
I love you.
Love you too.
Hungry?
No.
Give me some kiss.
You have to make it pop. If you don't make it pop in a night.
No. You can't do that. Stay still. That's the kiss. You don't come outside?
So far.
You look nice though. You pull a shorts on so. So you go near what we're going to use today.
You're welcome, man. Thank you. You're welcome.
So guys, we're reaching our country part now, like a really country part. Lots of cane. And those.
Do for those subs.
Me sure no.
Yeah,
We're gone.
try this.
Woo! This feels so good. Reach our destination. This is what I love. This. So beautiful. And are we alone? Now I'm telling you the date because I don't want to know how no say. You know? Connor. Nice fish on your lap.
You never want me to live in a video, but you want to sit down on my lap now.
Ah!
See that? To show. You have something on display?
No.
Do you have something on display? Do you have something on display? Who you want to show something? Tell him to...
My
You?
other one.
Tell them to follow you up on Instagram or Snapchat.
Come here, my baby. Guys, Jason wrote me a poem the other day, make me emotional.
Everybody know.
I'm not talk about it on my vlog. So sweet.
See you not talk about it on your vlog yet?
Come in a vlog,
You
yes.
don't appreciate me.
Guys, that was so sweet.
Kind of feel like nobody don't love me anymore.
I love you, Messi.
Oh.
You.
So, like how you love me, I get Sunday, yeah?
Yeah, I'm 2 and only.
Me what? Me what? Me what?
2 and only. I do it. May I make? Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Ready now?
Alright, guys. So, this is crayfish. A crayfishing now.
You're fishing.
Yeah. Yeah, you can go over to his YouTube channel and subscribe. Same do. What you
You're
do?
fishing.
Yeah, you do that. Go over to his channel. I'm gonna put his link in my description box and also pin it in the comment section. So go over there, check him out. Yeah. Alright guys, so I did carry extra clothes so I can just go in the water in this. Just go in there like that because I have something in my bag I can put on. So yeah. This. So mash up now. Who want buy me one? What I eat after go work today? Whoa. It's rough. It's rough. Bombard. Oh my god. I think they're about to go in there. Too rough. But the water looks so good. You know, this feels so good, you know, not to be at home cooking. Yeah, I love them things there. I like to just, you know, take some time off and unwind. Feels so good. Guys, can't always pressure on yourself. I'm telling you from now, because if there's no money, there's no health, and if there's no health, then there's no money. Two of them go hand in hand, so you have to just learn to balance both of them. What I do sometimes when I'm pressured or me feel like, you know, feel low, I just plan a road trip and I just go somewhere and, you know, admire the stuff them what I really love. Like this, I like it. It just makes my mind feel, yeah. I love these stuff. I love to try street food. I just appreciate them stuff in my life. I always tell people like, stuff there to enjoy yourself already. you know, I mean to travel and all of that is good, but just for like to stuff there for enjoy with stuff in Jamaica. I'm not gonna lie. When I say traveling is nice, I'm not just saying because I never traveled before, but at the same time, you can just, you know, if you have a friend with a car or you have a car, you just go somewhere and enjoy nature. 'Cause it's good, I tell you. The sun hot right now and I don't even remember so the sun hot because guess what? This just sounds so good and the breeze are coming and guys, when I lie here so never so rocky, I just spread out a towel and lay down and sleep. It looks weird and simple but them things there me like. This is lovers sleep. Let's go. It's so good. Ready kid? Let me take the time. Come.
Hard to get. My time.
People bring them down, not
Yeah,
store.
Why? Nah, lie. I'm money. Me never know so smooth money. Man, nothing to fish
Everything we do in our life is an investment.
Exactly.
Man.
Especially wife.
The man,
And then you want to do what you have to do properly. So, let's go.
Here with my camera. Yes, that Mr. Richie. The man gun with a deer with my camera. Oh, well,
Not Jason's camera though.
only two there.
But me not boast about that right now, because right now you may pick.
What's that? Canon Benz GX7.
Both barrel I use. But that a carbon fiber barrel still in about. Now we use it on this angle. The angle here now go. Hold on it so I order one way a male angle. So I go shoot that in the barrel. But the barrel have to shoot in at this angle.
My problem is the one shot. When you shoot and miss, what happens?
No man, the line you connect to this spear.
Yeah, just retrieve back
Oh,
your
you just
spears.
pull it back.
Yeah. I say all along, say things a man that's spelling
Hold on, let me ask you a question then. Let me ask you an easy question then. Out of 10, rate your shot. Out of 10 time when you shoot, how much shot
You
you
miss.
take before you take? Before you pick some?
Talk truth.
Well, some of the time you have bad day and you have good day.
Yeah, so out of 10, how much you rate your shot?
On a bad day.
You want to give yourself
just give me
a
one.
10?
Well, I not give myself 10, you know.
Oh.
I not give myself 10.
But you know, say,
I'm telling you, say somebody day you have good day and you have bad day. So, on a bad day, we shoot like 5 out of 10. On a good day, shoot 9 out of 10.
that's still 5 out of 10 still good.
Alright.
But if you
Jamaica
like
water
one, I know
full
you-
of barracuda. Because that's all I'm talk about when I go.
Well, maybe man go, let me see how only call 9 man, you know.
So you prefer barracuda over the snapper?
No, we not really prefer them, you know, but normally it's mostly barracuda.
Okay.
But the snapper them, I just them.
And the barracuda bigger. You get more tight.
Not really. All depends on the size.
Oh.
Snapper sell faster than the barracuda.
Jamaica is a snapper country.
Guys, don't believe everything we see on the media.
True.
If you want to look like colors, we can go over there.
One look like colors, no.
Look at me.
Colors want to look like we.
If you want to
Exactly.
look like colors, me tell you right here. That's what me say.
No, if you want to look like colors and Richie.
Remember, colors live down here now, so the sun not changing.
No, colors are there to that.
Let me show you an example.
Colors go through a transformation. Watch ya.
Let me show you an example. A fishing
It's
Man,
the
man,
no, I
man,
think
man,
they
extra
don't
pair of
sound.
clothes
It's
in the watcher.
so dark.
No, man, no. I can't, I go into going
A Portmore sun
You
did
got
that.
a tan.
Yeah, it's actually black.
Little mouse
A
we need
Portmore.
Guys, I just get one prank idea. I find a stone here, I bring it to and go put in a JS plate like dumpling.
No. Oh my god. Oh no, girl. That's rough.
I don't care if I cut it dumpling first, that we teach him to cut dumpling.
True.
So I carry home this. Say it's a dumpling. Good idea, you know? Come on, I put them up there. You know, so we should have a bag though. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we will be doing a mukbang. So this right here is the shrimp tail.
And this right here is the lobster. It's so fleshy.
Big one I potato.
Or
Oh,
instead
big
of
one I
potato.
sausage.
Sausage. Guys, I'm not like this here.
Food I do this every day. I live for me alone. base. Almond?
Almond.
Almond? I just crack them so. I normally eat them, you know?
Me used to eat them.
And then my auntie tell me say rock back drop them in the yard.
It's working.
You smell it, fire?
Yo, I need a hammock out there, sir. And you see the part where me can't go by the way? Yes, I will go.
That's
We
a
can
lot
go
of
fix
ice.
something like that.
That is nuts.
Are you there?
No.
You have some
There's something where you have one too.
your foot. You perfect girl.
You want one body now? Take my one. It's not about me time, but I phone and make no difference. Take a picture of the coil to blow. When you where is the nearest KFC?
The one with them grow there, so you call that farm. You call that with them a farm. Eh? And farm with them views and bite.
Because why never just end up
Yeah? Them bite them, brother. Wait,
Nicholas,
eh?
why never end up teach?
Eh?
Why never end up teach? Because you find a lesson in everything end up.
So we are distracted, you know.
That's a challenge. Last one to get beat by the crab.
This is how we keep the egg them if you didn't have any. But you know, no egg now.
Hold on, if you pull an egg in there, you up out the crab belly.
No,
You let the egg them.
No, you know my
You
leg.
don't them pregnant out. How you do that again?
You're like somebody walking your legs.
Eh? So when you have baby, when
Deliver,
they're pregnant, no, when they're pregnant, now they do
So you have to say, brothers, you have to deliver a baby look well.
yeah. You see this now, if that fire pop off in all, they're gonna fight this.
Baby, could you tell me say something white? Okay, salt do me. No, babe, not brush my ear, not brush it. Guys, it's salt, you know? I'm gonna have to wash up myself. Alright, guys, so crayfishing finally reached back. I was worried at one point. But worried for everything, by the way. But me didn't wonder, like, why am there? Why am I take so long to come back? I didn't worry. But me gonna meet him. Then we're going to get some food. I'm going to change off, even though they may dry. No. But I'm going to change off because I don't like to feel salt on it. So, show them what's out. Guess what is there? Lobster. And I think him dead though. Alright, so I know you guys gonna ask where is the rest of the video, but I have more footage. I just don't want to use them because that day was too windy and I think it's too annoying, so I am very sorry about that. Alright guys, so this is the next day. Oh, we okay?
Alright, guys. I can't try for it, but alright.
Alright guys, so this is the next day. Like when me come in last night, me couldn't even take up a phone. Me did too tired. My hair did just messy, full of salt water, and me did just wash my hair, tie it up, and go straight to my bed. How was yesterday? Come babe, honest opinion. How was yesterday?
I'm going to analyze it and break it down. What exactly did we do yesterday?
We go.
We drove out.
Pick up nice stone.
Well, you picked up nice stones. I came back with a bag full of stones. And I didn't carry my bag to carry stones. And the person who carried the stones didn't carry a bag. How else?
Say never enjoy yourself. Baby, in a long for some sea breeze.
Yeah, I enjoyed the sea breeze. I enjoyed sitting down under the tree for hours on my slippers. But no, that was nice for real. No, for real.
Guys,
no,
it's so like mockery.
No, well I know, babe. You see, the time when I sit down under the tree was the best time of the day for me. The best. No, for real. And then when they come and sit down with me, that is even better. But you just want to just, chill.
Unwind, right? What me say we're going to leave the yard for? So mission accomplished.
Yeah, but your mission accomplished because I think you left with a different idea of stuff.
When I'm hungry, I don't.
We stop our KFC, I say one person on our line. And me I say, yes, this is the best KFC they ever go. Because I never see one KFC. You're going to make them see me cook.
Just give me my biscuit.
Give me no tea for biscuit.
Alright, move my mess. Go on over. Go
Take
on.
a phone. You can't play them people that will love them food and they say, yeah, you need even. Anyway, hold the phone.
Come up here, son.
Yo, we stop at one KFC where one person and I say, yes, this is the best KFC, brother. One place never taste KFC. Taste, but I'm not going to say it for the vlog. Come on, I don't know what you feel now.
Who beg nine, who not beg no one? Who beg a junker, who beg a dog?
Can I give me please?
Hear this song. Who beg nine, who not beg no one?
I don't beg me, beg.
Who beg a...
I never beg me, say, you know, give me peace. I never say beg you something. Baby, I squeeze my pencil in.
Remember, I did that at primary school. Every time me say this, babe, what you used to say when you are close?
I never said nothing. I mean.
One time I got at primary school, I did sassy. When me in a grade 3, I said, kiss kitty KY minus plus A that girl I couldn't me one cuss. Can't say the rest right here.
Yeah,
so
so that I can't show myself on camera and I said, I don't want nobody align me with you.
As me say, babe, no. Me used to say, where's the name boy and bash mother like super plus?
Don't slap on the
My mother, your mother no. Not because your mother have a washing machine. No, it never go as planned. It never go as planned, to be honest. There is no explanation. I'm not even gonna justify the whole day. I mean, it wasn't bad to just leave the house and do something else, because I enjoyed it. Because me as a person will love like them stuff that like to sit by myself, make your water splash by my foot, whatever. I love those stuff, and just if me and Fraxer we never carry no food, never carry no water, because we didn't plan. Me never did know so far we go there. And in my head, when leaving from like these places, like Kingston and them place here, and I go like upper country, I feel like so there's always gonna be street food. Well, I was wrong about that. They didn't have any street food, and yeah, that's it. I buy a banana, that was good. Right now I'm gonna cook some banana. And sawfish. Yes, banana, sawfish and yam. What you want? What you want then?
But just eat digestive.
And you can hold of you all day, right?
Every day.
So yeah. I'm gonna close off the vlog right here. If you're new to my channel,
Babe, sorry.
I'm gonna post a little part in this vlog. One little part I got in another vlog here. I may tell you, and me just to give me go ahead, just to say I can do it.
Maybe see that part before you post it.
I was just in my panties.
You know what?
My panties.
You feel always in your panty.
On the beach.
Say what?
Oh guys! That's so for sure now.
Holy.
Come in. Well, I'm a fish now. I took it from the gift bag already. My poem. My poem that Jason read to me. I'm gonna move this. You remember the poem that Jason read to me on his channel? This is it. Like, babe, I don't know, I just really appreciate this. I think this was super creative. You know, you write a girlfriend one poem and then you just, sorry, I just wake up, guys. But yeah, you write a girlfriend one poem and then you frame it. Isn't that special? That is so special. I'm not care when nobody what I say. That's nice. So I know some have that to look on like every day here. They don't want it? You can't tell me so I can take it back, you know. And when they pick me and Kimona, they pick up some whole heap of stone. But we did leave some because we did go away to come back to the sea. We did go look food and we did go back to the sea, and then we never end up go back because we did reach too far. So me have to left all of them pretty stone that we did collect, but I have these. I know it's nothing too special about them, but I want to use them to decorate the thingy that I'm gonna put the fake flowers in. You know, I just love these stuff. I think they look nice. You know? Alright guys, question. What is this? I don't know. What is it? Me did think I want rock, but it's not a rock. What is it, guys? For everybody, for anybody like know, please tell me. I want to know what is it. So let me show you. It have something right here, so like, you know, it picked like a stem was right there. But yeah. So this is the end of my vlog. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. Bye guys.